Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot OPPO Reno 15. Okay, it is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu, and we do it by clicking power button and volume up button at the same time, because if you hold the power button only, you can see that the Gemini has turned on, which is
hold the power button for
which is an AI assistant. So we need to click power and volume up, and now we have our power menu. Now drag this white ball into the restart function, which is above. Now release your finger. We can see that our screen has been turned off. Within a few seconds we should see an OPPO logo on our screen, and then we just need to simply wait until the phone turns on, and we will see our home screen. We can already see that the OPPO logo appeared. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.